Hey mathematicians, and gear up as today we explore the relationship between human capital and income. Let's get into it with our I will statements.
Remember, your I will statements are your goals for this lesson. They are what we are trying to work on and learn more about throughout our time together today. As we continue on in our lesson, make sure you have your mind focused on these three things and showing them to your teacher. I will read the I will statement first, and then we will read it again a second time together. Make sure you're reading it nice and loudly so I can hear you, but no shouting necessary.
Pause the video now and read the I will statements as a class. Today, mathematicians, you will need your whiteboard and a marker. I am going to show you different value amounts on the screen, and you are going to write how much the value is. On the screen right now, I have 2 dimes and 4 pennies. Write this value of the coins on your whiteboards now. Pause the video to take more time. Make sure that you write the value of the money using a dollar sign and a decimal point. Did you write that the value of these coins is 34 cents? If you see somebody with 34 cents on their whiteboards, give them a high five. Let's look at another one. If I showed you $2 bills, how would I write the total amount of this value of money using a dollar sign and a decimal point? Pause the video and do that now. You would write this as $2. Nice job, mathematicians. If we combined our money, so our original amount with our new amount, what would be the total amount of money that we have on our screens now? Write it on your whiteboards. We have a total amount of $2.34. Nice job, mathematicians. You're going to practice a few more examples with your teacher, so pause the video and complete those now, and come back when you're ready for the full group activity. All right, mathematicians, today you are going to be exploring some new vocabulary, including the word labor. Now, you'll have a chance to talk about labor as a class, but labor is basically a job that somebody might do. And you'll talk about different ways to describe this word, and some ways you may have heard this word used in real life before. I'm going to show you what you will do with your exploration after you guys have discussed the word labor. Problem 1, and discuss your opinions on what labor is. Pause the video and take time to have that conversation now. Now let's look at the next part of this assignment. You guys are going to be able to explore some different careers, looking at their salary and the specifics of what those might be. You'll be given some different websites to explore some of these careers and get a better idea of the labor that is involved in these works. Meaning sometimes people's feelings about how they work in that environment might not be so good, or it might be great. As you can see here, these 3 top jobs are satisfaction, say they're very high, which means the people who work there are very happy. So film directors, video game creative directors, and cardiothoracic surgeons. All of these have different salaries, but they are very high satisfaction, meaning the people that work there enjoy the labor or the work that they are doing for the amount of money they are getting paid. If we switched our satisfaction, we could see some people who are, we have no satisfaction levels here. We'll have to bump it up. We can see that some people, maybe an auditor has very low, a loan officer, a sales representative. Some of these people have very low satisfactions, which means they're not enjoying their specific positions and they might want a change in the labor that they are doing. You are going to get a chance to explore different jobs that you might be interested. You can use the search bar to type in anything that you want, or you can explore by searching the Career Explorer website to get to know more about careers that interest you, and maybe if the labor is worth the money that you'll get paid. Once you go onto Career Explorer's website, You'll click careers at the top and you'll be able to explore all different kinds of future careers that you may be interested in. Good luck in your exploration, mathematicians, and I will talk to you guys soon.